Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today I'm going to show you the secret to making the smoothest tea ever. We are going to be using a special technique called ice brewing to turn even the bitterest of teas into a classy, smooth infusion that will have you coming back for more. Stick around till the end for the most important tip. So, what are we going to need? We are going to need some tea. I prefer black tea because the more robust, earthy body of the tea translates better into the final product. We are also going to need a steeping device. I am going to be using this glass teapot. Lastly, we are going to need some ice cubes. To set up for an ice steeping, I am going to add a nice bed of leaves to the bottom of the infuser. On top of those, we are going to pile ice cubes. Now we are going to leave this for several hours, topping off with ice every now and then. Allow the runoff from the ice to flow through the tea leaves into the pot. While this is happening, let's take a look at why ice brewing creates such an amazing final product. Ice brewing uses the same fundamental principles as cold brewing. By lowering the temperature and extending the steeping time, we are extracting flavor from the leaves much more gently than a couple minutes in piping hot water. The much gentler process results in a final product with much less caffeine than normal hot steeping would yield. This also comes in handy when you want to enjoy your favorite leaves a little later in the evening. Now that all the ice has run through, let's take a taste. Ooh, that is good. The final product still embodies all the full earthy notes of the tea with an impossibly smooth finish. Now, the most important thing to do when ice brewing tea is to use fresh ice. I know it might seem a little bit ridiculous, but I promise you the difference is immense. As ice sits in your freezer, it begins to pick up flavors from the other items it is stored with. Additionally, it will begin to taste a bit stale, and this can translate into the final cup. To avoid, just use ice that you have frozen recently within the last day or two, and you should be fine. And there you have it, how to ice brew tea. Give it a try and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.